What's up, YouTube? Showing off a bunch of stuff that I just got hooked up with because I have a Snapchat. This is all stuff that I got for free from a dear friend of mine. I have a friend that I was friends with when I was 13 years old, and we lived on the same block, and we skateboarded together and hung out and played video games all the time. And unfortunately, I had to move. And when I moved, I kind of lost touch with him for quite a few years. And eventually, I moved back to Colorado, and we have recently reconnected and hung out a bit. And he saw on my Snapchat that I sell stuff on eBay, and he is doing really well. He got a new job. He's going to be moving to right in the middle of the city, and he's got a bunch of stuff that he said he's just going to be, probably getting rid of a lot of stuff and giving it to Goodwill. But he said he didn't really want to give it to Goodwill. He wanted to at least give it to people that his friends that might be able to use it, and so he just gave all this stuff to me. As you can kind of tell, there's some really good stuff here. I'll go over it real quick with you. He gave me a set of golf clubs. They're pretty nice. They're top flight. Top flight. Or is that a top elite? No, top flight. Pretty nice set of clubs. It's missing the driver, but good golf bag too. I might have to keep this for myself. I have a driver, and I'm thinking I might just keep this for like an extra set of clubs in case I have a friend come up. Then him and I will have a set of clubs.
The Zen philosopher Basho once wrote, "A flute with no holes is not a flute. And a donut with no hole is a Danish." He's a funny guy.
You missed just that one.
In one physical model of the universe, shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line in the opposite direction, Danny.
Unbelievable.
Thank you very little.
Little score there. He also gave me this drone. I mean, this was the first thing he pulled out, and I was like, whoa. Now, he knew I sold on eBay, so I was like, do you want me to sell that and give you the money and whatever? And all this stuff, he's like, no, man, I don't need it. I just want to get rid of it. If you can make a couple bucks, good for you. Obviously, I offered to give him money and take him out for a beer or something. We'll figure it out later, depending on how much money I make off this stuff. But I'll definitely get him a gift card and maybe take him out for some drinks or something. But that will go for like about $30-40. Not the craziest drone, but that's all good. I got this couple books here. This one's like $10. This Grey's Anatomy book's like 20-30 range. Now this guy right here is a Bible. I don't even want to take it out because I just looked it up. New Interpreter Study Bible.
Whosoever therefore shall be ashamed of me and of my words in this adulterous and sinful generation, of him also shall the Son of Man be ashamed. Okay. Now, wait a minute. Wait just a minute, please. People want to know what that means that you just said.
Genuine leather. It's got the gold on it. Now I just looked this up. There's only one on eBay, and it's a pre-owned one, and they want $144 for it. And my buddy told me this was a $150 Bible, but he also told me some of these other books were more expensive, and I didn't believe him. But this really is expensive, and it's still in the box, never been opened. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna list that. I might be sitting on that for quite a while, but it's a brand new Bible still in the box. Also got these it's like DVD sets and book sets. Foundations of Western Civilizations in America and the New Global Economy. I haven't looked those up yet, but those will go for a couple bucks. A couple other miscellaneous books, nothing like super crazy like money wise, but I kind of might look through them myself, see if it's worth if I want to read it. Otherwise, I'll be sending a lot of these off to Amazon. He also gave me books 1 through 4 of the Harry Potter series.
Forbidden light reading. This is light.
Kind of a pro tip here. When it comes to books like this that were really mass produced, the best way to sell them is getting the whole set. And I'm pretty sure there's more books than just 4. There's probably 6 or 7 of these books. I'm not really sure. I never really got into the Harry Potter series. But from now on, I'm going to keep these to the side. And when I go to Goodwills and things, I'm going to make a little note in my phone and say, I've got books 1 through 4 right now. So look for, 6, 7, however many there are. I'm going to have to look up how many there are, how the sets go and how much. But when you sell them for the full set, you'll get pretty good money for them. If you just try to sell them individually, it's not so great because of shipping and handling and everything else. These are a bunch of other books that aren't really gonna go for too much. There's a classic, right? How to Draw. This one's still almost new. That'll go to Amazon. Another drawing book, guitar book, Guinness book. I have a whole bunch of Guinness books that I can probably lot together. Hopefully I don't have the 2002 already. I didn't look this one up. This is some sort of college book, I think, the Cosmos. And then a couple other books. So I'm gonna probably send most of these off to Amazon if they're worth something. Moving on, this is kind of cool. This is an old magazine. It's a tribute to John Lennon.
I think our society is run by insane people for insane objects.
It says it's got a free poster inside. Probably a poster probably taken out, but I thought that was pretty cool. I might be keeping that for myself. And this is kind of cool too. It's kind of beat up. It's kind of stained, but it's where did the date go? 1983, Lucasfilms, Return of the Jedi. This is old. This is old, you know what I mean? So that, I don't know. Let me know what I should do with this one. I haven't looked this one up. Is this worth keeping? Is it beat up and not really worth anything? I'll have to look that up. I don't know. Kind of cool though. This one's kind of cool too. I didn't know if I was gonna keep this. Street Boners, and it's just kind of making fun of everybody's style. I don't know. I was gonna read a couple of these. Congratulations, you just owned summer. So I'm gonna look through that. I might keep that one. That one's kind of funny. Got these cool monkeys too. I might keep these for my books. They're just book stops for each side. They're kind of cool. Maybe I'll sell them. I don't know. Kind of a garage sale item. I don't want to ship them. They're so heavy. Well, I guess it would cost. I put them in an envelope or what do you call it? I can't think of what the envelope's called now. Oh well, it's like $6 if I wanted to ship those. This is cool too. I'm keeping this for sure. Look at this guy. He's the warrior monkey, and he gave me the book with it. But this is definitely gonna go in a future man cave for sure. He's awesome. Look at that thing. He gave me a couple movie posters. He said his buddy worked at a movie theater, and I don't know, there's like 3 or 4 in there. So that's kind of cool. Moving on, speaking of man cave here, this is my favorite part of this whole deal, is he gave me this 3 samurai swords. Because he knows that I train martial arts, and I really love any kind of warrior stuff. But these things are no joke. They have a little dragon and emblem or carved in the hands right there. How cool is that? and they're sharp. I don't want to get this open with one hand and cut myself, but this is just the dagger, but it's no joke. It's kind of dirty. Wipe it off on my sweatpants here. No joke here. This is the real deal. I looked these sets up. This set's probably worth about 150 bucks if I were to sell it, but I'm definitely keeping it. He even gave me a set of cleaning supplies for it. And he said he's gonna send me a video on how to clean these things if I need to clean them. He also told me, this is kind of interesting fact about samurai swords, I guess. He said the big one is for your family, or sorry, the big one's for your country, the medium one's for your family, and the small one's for yourself. So if you go into battle, you always take the one for yourself and the one for your country, and you leave this one for your family. So kind of a cool little story. I never knew that. Anyways,
this ninja knows no fear. You see, I am a trained master in each of the weapons of battle. That rack was not built by ninjas.
anyways, guys, the whole moral of the story here is it's never would have happened if I never would have put on Snapchat that I sell stuff on eBay. So this isn't the first time this has happened either. I've told people, and my girlfriend's told people, and then our relatives, our friends are moving, and they have a pile of stuff that they're gonna go to Goodwill. They're not resellers; they do their own thing, and they're like, "You want this pile of junk?" And you know, this pile of junk here, first of all, has awesome stuff in it that I'm gonna be keeping, you know, a few things, but then I'm also making money. He didn't want that droid. I mean, it's just really cool. So, believe it or not, Snapchat has allowed me to make money on eBay. Well, with, you know, the use of eBay and Amazon and whatnot, but I was able to get inventory from Snapchat for free. Obviously, it helps to have friends and, you know, be a good person. I'm gonna definitely try to help my buddy out and give him a gift card. We're gonna go get some beers or something. You know, I'm gonna have to. This is awesome. You know, this is so cool. I feel definitely indebted, but he was relieved. He didn't even care. He doesn't care at all if I sell any of it or not. And I helped him move out a little bit. I'll keep you guys updated, you know, if any of this stuff sells. But make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Send me a comment below if you guys have any really cool stories about how you were able to help people out, or you know, you were able to get a bunch of inventory for your online stores by just putting it out there. You know, networking. It's so important here. And this is, like I said, it's not the first time I've done this. Look at this pretty nice putter. I don't know what the brand name here is. Technique. So appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button. Dumpster Diamonds here, getting more inventory from my online store for free. Be a good person, guys. Go make the world a better place. Go help your friends out. And what goes around comes around. All right. The more you help the world. The more you give, the more you get. That's what I want to say, guys. And now I really feel like I've been blessed, and I need to go help some more people. So hopefully I'll be posting videos in the future of how I'm helping people, because I'm very blessed and thankful that people have come to help me. So shout out to my buddy Ethan. He's doing really great. He's doing good, big things. I'm going to be getting in the music industry soon, so if he really gets big in the music industry, I'll make sure to post some stuff. But just too cool. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'm way behind on my eBay right now. I got so much stuff to list. It's just not even funny. So I gotta get listing.